Hi everyone, Esteban here at Flexpipe headquarters. So today I want to show you a really cool project that we've done in-house. And basically we got the CNC machine here. So the operator here who's essentially making the work here to pop all the different cutouts. He got tired of having to be always moving around and moving this heavy surface all the time. So he went ahead and created a really cool setup. It's a panel cart where he can go ahead and essentially just be able to switch angles very quickly, very smoothly, and go ahead and do what he needs to do without having to overwork. It's just basically working super smooth and being able to really change the setups, change the angles, and essentially work very efficiently with the structure here that he's made. I really like it. I think it's super cool. So he can go ahead and manipulate this surface, move the cart, and position it essentially directly next to the CNC machine, where he can go ahead and lay this on the flat side and show you here. So you can go ahead and actually bring it in like that, and there you go. So he can go ahead and present this directly next to the CNC machine and have a really nice smooth effect here, where we can go ahead and just slide this, load and unload directly from the CNC machine, and then from there he can go ahead and do what he needs to do, not having to bend over all the time. That can get very tiring. So this is why he came up with that system here, where he can now go ahead and change the angles and do what he needs to do with the little parts here that he needs to go ahead and finish popping them out. And I'm definitely not overstressing myself, and it's super easy to do. And again, it's just a really cool way to utilize the HJ12s to go ahead and do your setup like that. And if you can go ahead and get inspired, this is a cool project. Again, if you're doing heavy panels, then this is just a great way to be able to manipulate them. So take advantage, get inspired, and I'll see you guys on the next one.